Today's video is for you, because we're diving into a speaker that's not just legendary, it is a legend. Say hello to the Klipsch Klipschorn AK6, a speaker that's been in continuous production for nearly 80 years. But the real question is, does this vintage icon still rule the room in 2025? The Klipschorn was born out of one man's obsession, Paul W. Klipsch. He wanted to bring live concert energy into the living room, and back in 1947, his revolutionary folded horn design did just that. Fast forward almost 80 years, and the Klipschorn AK6 still carries that DNA. It's hand-built in Arkansas, just like the originals. And while it may look retro, make no mistake, this is modern audio engineering wrapped in nostalgia. These are not speakers. These are monuments. Standing over 4 feet tall, weighing 100 kilograms each, and finished in gorgeous real wood veneers, the Klipschorns demand space and attention. Each one arrives in 2 parts, the mighty bass bin and the horn-loaded upper cabinet. And with massive exposed horn mouths, they're not hiding, they're announcing. Black, cherry, or walnut finishes are available, and they're even grain matched from the same tree. That's artisan level stuff. The Klipschorns are corner speakers, literally designed to live against your walls. That's part of how their folded horn bass system works. Now, the AK6 version is more flexible than its ancestors, but you'll still want to toe them in just right and get them close to the walls to unlock that signature low-end magic. And thanks to a jaw-dropping 105 dB sensitivity, these speakers can sing loudly with just a few watts. Tube amp lovers, this is your playground. A new 1-inch polyamide tweeter, Tractrix horn, 2-inch phenolic mid-range driver, and that classic 15-inch woofer firing into the folded horn. It's all wired up with AudioQuest internal cabling and clean bi-wire bi-amp terminals. Even the cable routing is cleverly hidden. So yes, this is old school style with 21st century brains. Klipsch Klipschorn AK6 loudspeaker pros and cons. Pros: legendary sound. Delivers live concert energy with its high sensitivity and horn-loaded design. Powerful bass. Folded horn design provides a signature, potent low end. Striking aesthetics. A statement piece with its imposing size and classic design. Cons: large footprint, requires significant space and dedicated corner placement. Retro styling. The vintage aesthetic might not appeal to all modern tastes. All right, audiophiles, that's the Klipschorn AK6, part speaker, part history, part magic. Let me know in the comments. Would you welcome these giants into your home, or is this too much of a throwback for you? And if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more high-end audio reviews, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Until then, keep listening with your heart, not just your ears. See you next time. Let me know if you'd like it formatted as a script, a PDF, or anything else.